I am back with another Filipino favorite, which is the Pansit. But this time, I am going to mix Pansit Bihon and the Pansit Canton. Okay, let's start. In my heated pan, I just added 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any cooking oil that you have in your home. Then you can add your meat. So you can use any meat that you like. You can combine chicken and pork. You can just use chicken. You can use shrimp with chicken. So it depends on what you have and what you like. So after that, I am just going to add a little bit of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then a little bit of pepper. So I season along the way as I added my ingredients. So I'll just wait for it to turn into golden brown, and then after that I will start adding the garlic and onion. So I'll just wait for the garlic to turn into golden brown, and then after that I will start adding the onion. So when the onion has a translucent color, then it's time to add in the other vegetables, starting with the carrots. Just saute it for about a minute, and then start adding the celery. Then I'm going to give it a little bit of stir after adding the celery, and I'll let it cook for about 2 minutes. And then after cooking for 2 minutes, I am going to add my cabbage. So the sequence is kind of different because this cabbage that I bought is a little bit hard than those other cabbage that sometimes we use. So I put it first, and then I will add the snow peas later. So then I added 1/3 cup of soy sauce, and then I'll just mix it all together so everything is coated with soy sauce. And then after that, I'm just setting this aside in a bowl, and I will start working on to my noodles. So my method of cooking is a little bit different. Normally some people, they will start adding the liquid over the vegetables, but for me, I don't want the flavor to be washed off. So I will set this aside, and then I will just add it on later in the end when my noodles is completely done. Now in my pan, I added 1.5 cup of low sodium chicken stock. Then I add in 1 tablespoon of Bihon Fiesta mix. You can buy this at Oriental store. Give it a little bit of stir and then taste. So if the taste is okay with you, then you can start adding your noodles. If not, just add in a little bit of soy sauce, or you can use salt according to your taste. So these are the noodles that I used for this recipe. Like I said earlier, I used Bihon and Pansit Canton for this recipe, and I just use a little bit of each because I want more vegetables than my noodles. So I will just let this simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. So this is depending on the heat of the stove. So if it is high heat, what will happen is it will simmer so fast, but then the noodle is still raw. So, and then you may need to add a little bit more chicken stock. Possible that you may don't need to. So to make sure, you just have to test your noodles. And then when it is there's a little bit liquid remaining on your pan, then you can start adding back all the vegetables that you set aside and you cooked earlier. Just make sure before you add in all the vegetables that you set aside earlier that all the noodles is done. So here I am just stirring it and make sure that the noodles is not sticking together, so that I can easily mix up all of the vegetables and the noodles together. So after mixing all together, I just add in the sliced snow peas. And here it is. It's done, guys. Look at that, guys. It's overloaded with vegetables and meat. That's it, guys. I hope you love this recipe that I shared with you, and hopefully you'll try it soon. Until next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.